everything is going to get for your company, your vendor, your customer. We are not going to do any kind of manufacturing. We are going to just get the product and we are going to sell the product. That's the reason we are going to call it as nothing much. So the customer will place an order to the company. Okay. Your customer is going to place an order to the company where the company is not purchasing any kind of stock. It's going to raise a purchase order. Between company and vendor, PO will be coming into the picture. We are going to call it as a purchase order. Between company and customer, your sales order will be coming into the picture. Your customer is placing a sales order to the company is going to raise a purchase order to the vendor, and vendor is going to deliver the goods to your customer. This is what is going to happen. The customer is going to place a sales order to the company is going to raise a purchase order to the vendor, and vendor is going to send the goods to the customer. This is what we are going to call it as a crowdfunding. Clear with it?
Yeah.
So what are the pre-requirements we require? First thing, we need to create one vendor master. As how we go for creation of our customer master, we need one vendor master. And we need to know the basic settings in your ML. So apart from this, what is the next step? On creation of your material, you are going to use your Hava. Material type as Hava. Hava stands for your trading material. So it's not about your material type. Okay? And your item category, you are going to get it as EA plus. Okay, so these are the first things we need to do. You need to know how to go for creation of your vendor master, what are the settings to activate your vendor. Then we shall come into our vendor master, create a material, then we shall work out with your sales. Okay? Yes. So for that thing, get into your SPRM. Secretary of time chain. Here, supply structure, definition, material management. You need to know how to go for creation of your purchase organization. Purchase organization is nothing but where that organization or the people over there responsible for getting the goods to the company. What does MM people do? What does they do? MM, nothing but they get the goods to the company. Your SD people will sell the goods
From the company.
That purpose, as we are having your sales organization, your MM department is going to have your purchase organization. So we need to go for creation of our purchase organization. So here is the setting, definition, material management, maintain purchase organization. Simple as that, just click on new entries and maintain your own purchase organization. Already created one purchase organization by the name HUL. So there's my purchase organization. Only simple step. Click on new entries.
Purchase organization is nothing but our sales organization.
No,
is a vendor.
It will be the legal entity for your material management.
Okay.
The punchlines remain the same, but the terminology is different. Different departments call it different.
Okay.
That means purchase organization means vendor, isn't it?
Sorry. No.
Is it purchase organization? Is it you mentioning as a vendor or something?
No. The thing is like, for example, the company needs some kind of raw materials. Okay?
Yeah.
So your purchase organization will be getting that requirement, and people who are there in that purchase organization, only those people are liable for placing an order.
Okay.
Because they need to do the procurement, they need to get the goods into the company. For that, only those people are responsible for anything, for the anything documents, any kind of material to be purchased for the company. Only purchase department has the rights to do the order.
Okay.
For that purpose, we go for creation of our purchase order.
Yeah.
So once you maintain that one, finish. That's it. From your material management, get into assignments. Material management. You need to assign your purchase organization to your company code. The configuration of purchase organization is HUL. I'm assigning my purchase organization to my company code. This is a step I have done. Back. Next step, I need to purchase organization to my plant. Configuration HUL. This is my purchase organization. This is my plant.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I need to assign. No need. If you have multiple purchase organizations, then we need to assign standard purchase organization to the plant, or assign various purchase organization to the plant. If you have only one, not required. You can do only the concept. Assign standard purchase organization to your plant. Configuration, your plant HUL, to your HUL, I'm going to assign my purchase organization. It's only the basic requirement you need to know how to go for creation of your purchase organization. Now you need to go for creation of your material. Like you are aware of this scenario. Is there anything need to be explained over this scenario?
No. We're clear. We're clear.
You're clear with?
Are you okay, Sadiq?
Yeah. So basically, in the third-party sales order, customer gonna raise the sales order to the company. Company will send the purchase order to the vendor, and vendor will deliver the goods to the customer. This is the third party.
Right. That's right. Yeah. Exactly. Nothing much.
In this third party, previously we see the one in F1 and F2 involved. Do you have any?
Yeah, that will come forward anyway. That's
At the time of billing.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to explain you. At your sales flow is going, how the sales cycles is going to consist like the VA01, where you're going to raise an order. Then from your VA01, you'll be getting a purchase situation number. With that reference to purchase situation number, you're going to create a purchase order. You're going to create your purchase order by using ME21N. Once you create your purchase order, then we are going to get our MIRO document, invoice verification. We are going to call this as invoice verification. Then after, we are going to do the billing. I'm going to explain you each and every step, how it is going to work, what are the things we need to capture.
Okay.
So normally your sales cycle, all the time you may be heard of, like always your delivery should be done with reference to order. Right?
Yeah.
Here also the same way, your billing should be done with reference to your invoice verification. So this is called as invoice verification. Always your billing should be done with reference to your invoice verification. Yeah, for that purpose, before we get into the cycle, we shall see how to go for creation of your material.
Okay.
Get into your dash MM01. Activity net. So my industry sector, my name, and my here, my material type is going to be HAWA. HNWA. Ready goods. Instead of taking FART, I'm going to take HAWA. Ready goods. This is the first step. If anybody asks you what is the material type for your trading, just say Hawa.
So for any material you create, it should be AVA.
Yeah.
Okay.
And here we need to select your basic data 1, your sales of 1, sales of 2, sales general plan, and here I'm going to select my purchasing here. Because it's an integration between SD and MS, we need to maintain at the end. Purchasing view which will maintain my UMS, but no one is here to take care, so we are going to assign whatever the piece required in the purchase. Apart from that, everything remains the same, your general plan, data storage one, and your accounting one.
Srinath, sorry, there are one point I'm confused. Normally we select the material type in a finished product.
Right.
Is it for the third party sale? Is it have to be Hawa or something?
Yeah, for third party, we need to select as Hawa.
Okay.
So if you are going to select it Hawa over here, then only you will be getting EAMS over there, the item category. So sure. If you are going to, normally you are selecting as FART, right, over here.
Yeah, yeah.
So selecting as FART, you will be getting norm, your item category. Yeah?
Yeah.
So going to select Hawa now. We need to get EAMS. We need to change it, that norm to EAMS. That's how the system is understanding this material is not going to be relevant for delivery because the requirement is getting passed from LC department to MM department.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just keep it as for trading goods. Now next the piece I'm selecting it. I'm selecting my purchasing here as well. For settings, this is on my organization levels. This is my plans, storage location, sales of distribution channel, everything. Okay. Here I'm maintaining the required entries. Here, your basic data 1 view, your general item category group remains the norm itself. Just try to change over here, just leave it just like that. Okay. Click on enter. Bring your backtrace. Now come to your sales of Curio. Here I'm going to change my item category group from norm to plans. PANS. Okay. PANS, third party. Okay. PANS for my third party item. The item category group is going to be PANS for your third party goods. On enter, next applicants, internet. So in my purchasing group, I need to enter my purchasing group. So I'm going to use the standard equal 0. Equal 0, I'm taking it as my standard one. Okay. Only one thing we need to enter your purchase group, that's it. So in your plan data storage one, you are going to enter our storage condition and it is going to be one of the parameters for your storage location definition. Set over here, in your accounting one view, just keep in mind that your valuation class is going to be 3100, not 7930, it's going to be 3100. So your valuation class is going to be 310, 3100, and your price control will be B. B stands for your moving average price. Moving average price. Now what you mean by this moving average and what you mean by this standard price? Any idea?
No.
Nothing but take an example of your commodity market or your gold prices. Gold price every day, every hour, it gets fluctuated.
Yeah.
What we call it as so standard price is nothing but the company is fixing standard price for that a particular material.
Okay.
So we are going to call it as a standard price. Moving price is nothing but your gold prices, your commodity market.
Sure.
So here also why we are going to take it as a moving price, because You don't know how much the vendor is going to charge you for that HDMI cable.
Okay.
Once he may be charging you 150, once he may be charging you 200. Depends on the market situation. For that purpose, you are going to maintain it as a moving price, moving control, and B, you need to enter that moving price. For example, 150, you are entering. Normally, the cost for HDMI cables is going to be 150, but you don't know how much the vendor is going to charge. More than 150 or less than 150, you need to select. That moving price, you are going to enter it over here. You can enter, try to save the cost.
Moving price 150 is less or plus or minus 150, isn't it? It may be less or maybe.
Yeah, that's like a plus of 150 is nothing but your vendor can sell your HDMI cables for more than 150 also. But 150 is a standard price.
Okay.
Market price is 150. Maybe selling 150 itself or more than 150.
Sure.
Depends.
Oh, yeah.
So in that case, we need to ignore the standard price, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right.
And is it for all third-party sales, price control should be B, or just for the specific case it should be B?
No. For third party, every time you need to keep it as price control as B, not as B.
Okay. So all the time for third party B.
Yeah. For third party, we are going to take it. Our valuation class is 2100, and your price control will be okay. Now, no need of doing your MD bouncy over here. Stop posting. Why we should not do stop posting in this case? Anything?
Because you were getting the product from the third party, isn't it?
You don't have to. You don't have to. Yeah.
Yeah. Go on.
No, you don't have to. Post material because you are passing this one as a purchase order to the vendor to supply to the customer.
That's right. Yeah. Because that's the reason. Because if you are maintaining the stock, you will be taking that stock from your warehouse and you will be supplying it to the customer.
Yeah.
Because you don't maintain anything, that's the reason we are not going to post any material. The vendor is going to supply directly that product to your customer.
Okay.
Now we shall see how to go for your cycle. The pre-requirements are done, your material is created, we shall see how to go for your cycle. So I'm going to raise a sales order first. Flash and delay 01. Now order type is ORSL. And this is my customer. The customer is placing an order of 100 and my item category, you can see my item category is getting a PAS. Okay, now how your item category is getting determined. Your over document type plus the item category group, you are maintaining it as EANS plus your usage, you are maintaining it as null. Yes, the item higher level item category you are maintaining that well, you will be getting tax. Okay. This is how your item category is getting. What? Plus EANS plus usage nil plus higher level item category nil, you will be getting tax. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are getting tax over here. When you double click on this line item, get into your conditions and try to maintain the price. We are double click maintaining the price for yeah. Okay, everything is done and try to save the document. That's it. Okay, this is my sales order number 13940. Now, this order should be going and sitting to my MM department. How the communication, how the order is getting passed to MM department. How it is going to happen? Just get into your change mode of your sales order /NDS02. Okay, here you can see this wrong and the checkbox. Status overview. You are going to call it as status overview. When you click on it, you will be getting is your item number. So that sales order 13940. Your item is HT Amman cables. When you get into details of it, you will be seeing the purchase situation. Purchase situation. Now, this is your purchase situation. Now, what do you mean by this purchase situation? Any clue?
A request for the purchase, isn't it? Oh, we send request for the purchase because we are sending the demand to the MEL, MM people. So MM people will do the purchase requisition.
Absolutely right. So if we need any kind of product and that product is not available in the company, we are going to generate a purchase situation. So we're getting a purchase situation over here, and your purchase number, purchase situation is created automatically in the background. Once the finish of our cycle, now what are the settings involved in? We are going to look at. So here you will be checking out what is your purchase situation number. This is one way of checking out your purchase situation number. If you don't want to check such a way, get into the order, double click on this line item, get into your schedule lines, you will be seeing another tab is getting up here, purchase situation. Okay, and when you click on it, you will be getting that purchase situation and details everything. You can copy it. Otherwise, just come back. This is your purchase situation number over here. Got it?
Yeah.
And your schedule line is going to be getting triggered at CS, not CP or CS. It's going to get triggered at CS.
Okay.
The schedule line. Now, how your schedule line is getting determined? It's going to be determined by your item category group plus your MRP type. Here I'm maintaining my item category as and I am maintaining my MRP view as nil. I'm getting I didn't maintain any of the views in my material master. Anything related to MRP, I didn't maintain it. That's the reason I'm taking it as a null. Item category group, item category, I'm taking it as class, there's a MRP type null, I'm getting as my schedule line CS. This is how your schedule line is going to get triggered. If you want to check it out, like you can use our before, like VO before. Line from position to the item category. You can see I'm using my item category as tag and MRP view that helps and getting my schedule line. Fine?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm getting my schedule line as here over here. This is my purchase situation. The purchase situation number, you can see it below. You can get into a sales order, click on your schedule line, and you will be getting this purchase situation number. You don't want to get into your sales order. Outside only, then click on your status overview. Click on your line item. Whatever the purchase situation number is there, you can copy that purchase situation.
Yeah.
So what is the next step? You need to convert that purchase situation to a purchase order. The MM, you have passed successfully your requirement. Now your MM category is transferred. First step they are going to do, they are going to convert that purchase situation to a purchase order. Equal use for creation of your purchase order ME31N. Okay? So this is how your purchase order is going to be look like. So we are going to call this one as a header detail table, and this is item level.
ME21N is to create a purchase order, yeah?
That's right, yeah. You can see over here, the name itself says we have create purchase order. And the default for that is what is the next step I need to do is nothing much. I need to click on my document view on, overview on. I need to click this view on. So I'm getting this screen. So here you can see a flower symbol over here. Select gradient, 3 colors. So when you click on it, you'll be getting a lot of options over here. Here I need to get my purchase equation. What all purchase equations are there? All that equations should be getting considered over here. Going to enter my purchase equation. When I click on it, so what all purchase equations are there? All that equations will become considered. So if you don't know what is your exact, which is your purchase equation number, once again get into your sales order and check it out. What's your purchase equation number? Under 15160.
Yeah.
Under 15160 is my purchase equation number. Just getting to the details of your purchase equation. There is only one line item in this purchase equation. Select that line item and click on adopt. Okay, I'm doing only one thing. I'm clicking this document overview on. I'm selecting the class symbol. I'm making my purchase equations over here displayed. All my purchase equations is getting displayed over here. I'm going to select the latest purchase equation number. Get into details of that purchase equation number. Select that line item. Click on around. Whatever the details are there in that purchase equation, all the details will be coming as sitting in your purchase order. When I click on arrow. Here, all the details are coming as sitting. Going to ask me enter your purchase organization. So whatever the purchase organization you have created, just enter the purchase organization. Okay. Click on enter. It's asking me to enter a vendor. Oh,
Yeah.
forgot to create a vendor now.
That's what I was
We
about
have
to
one
say.
vendor. Okay. For that, to show you how to go for creation of your vendor. /n xk01 is the default for creation of your vendor. xk01. So here, if you want to maintain your vendor number, you can maintain the number or rename for that. Maintain my company code, my purchase organization. By default, I'm going to take an 01 account group, my vendor account group 01, the standard one itself. I'm not creating any new account. Okay,
Yeah.
enter all the relevant details, click on it. It's asking me to enter all the mandatory fields and going to enter. Okay. Nothing much, your general details, your communication purpose, whatever the details you enter for general data, same way you need to enter over here. Once you maintain the details, click on enter or you can use this icon to the next page or next page. No need of maintaining anything over here and anything not required. Just click on next once again. If you want to enter any kind of bank details for that specific vendor, you can enter that details over here, not required. First name or last name not required. Here it will be asking you to enter your reconciliation amount. As we are using 1,40,000 as our standard, the MF people you are going to use 1,60,000. Just enter this 1,60,000 over here. The cash management group, just enter anything. Using A1 my domestic payments, just using that cash management. Now click on enter once again.
You know the return account, is it the standard one?
Yeah, 1,60,000 is the standard.
Okay. Payment terms.
So if you want to maintain any kind of payment terms, you can maintain. Otherwise, just leave it blank. Starting procedure, leave it blank. Purchasing data, order currency, just maintain it as INR. Okay, connector. So getting your partner functions over here. Here, as well as only one partner function is getting the command. Connector, trying to save the data. So your vendor has been created by the name Time. Okay. So we are going to use the same vendor in our purchase order. They are going to ask you to enter the vendor. Here is my company code. So I'm having two vendors. A is 001 and my time, and this is my time. Click on enter. Net price must be greater than 0. As we are having your PR00, these people are having PTX, gross price. We are going to call it as the gross price and we are going to call it as the selling price. So we need to enter some kind of price, 1,000 rupees for example. On enter. It's asking whether delivery date, next working day.
Okay, Jairam, you know the PBXX, where you get it from 2,000 pounds, because you have given the PR 00300 pounds previously, isn't it?
PBXS is nothing but how the vendor is going to charge you. He will be giving you some kind of price. Once he tells you the price, you need to enter the price.
Okay, vendor will give the price.
That's right, yeah.
This is a purchase order. This is purchase order.
The purchase order.
Yeah. When we create the sales order to the customer, it will be PR00. Sorry.
Okay, got it.
The difference between that and this is nothing but this is your cost.
Yeah.
Okay.
Manufacturing cost.
Yeah.
Another way, you can say that this is the cost your company is getting that material. On this, if you want to add some other price, then only you will be getting your profit margin. That is going to be your PR00.
Yeah. This is the cost price.
Yeah. So just enter, for example, not 1,000, just shall enter 1,000 over here. Okay. Once you do these conditions, get into your invoice. Here we need to enter your taxes. Your conditions you will be entering. Normally what we do, we are going to have your MWST condition type, right? Your taxes.
Yeah.
Normally we are going to enter in your conditions tab over there, your sales, but your MM, we need to get your invoice and we need to update our tax code. V0 is your input tax and A0 is your output tax. A0 is the thing your sales people is going to work. Input tax, your MM people is going to work. Nothing but we are going to collect the taxes from your customer. So it's going to be output tax. Here the company need to pay the taxes to your vendor. So it's going to be input tax. So select your V0, input tax. When you click on V0, click on enter. Whatever the tax amount is there, a new tab is sitting up here. Click on these taxes. You can see your taxes is going to be 40%.
Yeah.
One thing, just once you enter the PBXX price over here, besides that, you're seeing your invoice tab. Click on the invoice tab, enter your tax code. Your taxes is going to get activated. Click on those taxes. You'll be seeing this tax amount. Okay. Once you maintain all the details, come back and try to check the document. Any kind of error messages there or warning messages are there, you can see this symbol over here, check, click on check. If any messages are not there, you will be getting no messages issued during check. That means all the configuration settings, everything is fine, you can go ahead. Now try to save the document.
What this is message, Joram? You know, in the header level S, yellow one.
This one. This is called as stop item. How we are getting L over there, we are going to get it over here. How the system is understanding whether it's going to be a standard order or it's going to be a third party order. You're getting it as a S, it's going to be stand for your third party sales. How the system is going to understand, because they may be running a lot of purchase orders, your people. Every time they can't go for creation of your third party item. So this is how they are going to determine whether it's going to be an third party sales or your contact sources or assignment sources, or how you are going to do that. Because you're getting this purchase situation from your sales department, and sales department is working on your third party sales. So that's how it is going to get it. Okay. By default, you will be getting it.
Yeah.
Okay. Once again, make the file sure. One second. Okay, this is your purchase order number 45301728.
Yeah.
Now I have created a purchase order, nothing but place an order to my vendor. Okay. Now what the vendor is going to do? The vendor is going to ship the goods to my customer location and is going to send me an invoice. Right?
Yeah.
Thing is like we already placed a purchase order to my vendor. Right? Vendor. Now what is the functionality of your vendor? Now what shall your vendor do? Your vendor is going to deliver the goods to your customer and is going to send the invoice, because you need to pay to the vendor, right?
Yeah.
Is that clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So for that purpose, we are going to work with your minor invoice verification, where whatever the vendor has sent us an invoice, we are going to check it out and we are going to pass that information to your account department, where your account department is going to do the payments to your vendor. It's totally into your ML. The Myra is nothing but how we are going for creation of your billing, for them it is called as Myra. The my arrow. It was verification. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So getting to your Myra, Lamption, MI, arrow. So here you can see your reference. The reference is what you're going for creation of your minor. Your reference. Then that purchase order number over here. This is my purchase order number. I'm going to enter 910. It's asking me to enter a valid date. Okay. Purchase document not at release. Okay. Now what is going to cause this running nothing but block. Now we are seeing our billing block. Someone has blocked this document. to enter your taxes, just click on your taxes. That's fine. Payment, pivot, is fine. Match your basic data stream. Click on your taxes and you need to select our input tax. Not output tax, you need to select our input tax. Now your taxes amount is getting over here. Only one thing we need to do, here you can see everything is in a red. That means some errors are there. Set. You need to turn these messages into green, then only whatever the information you maintain is successfully done. What kind of error message are there? If you wanted to get into the details of these messages, you'll be getting that details. Your balance not zero. Debit and credit is not equal. Now what we need to do? Option this amount. And paste it in your output.
Okay.
Want to paste this one? Click on enter. Your balance is begin zero.
Okay.
Fine. Once you do this step, click on simulate. When you click on simulate, we are going to check whether your debit and credit is equivalent and your balance is zero.
Okay.
Click on simulate, you'll be getting a new window here. See, like your vendor account got created. The inventory account, some kind of entries are there. Sorry, I don't know much entries in your then. So here only one thing I can say that your debit and credit is getting equal and your balance is coming up.
Okay.
The only thing you need to check.
Alright.
Once you see this one, if anything is there in your balance, that means you have done something wrong, you need to rectify it.
Sure.
Always you need to keep in mind if your balance should be equal, click on force. That's it. Your invoice has been saved. Your whatever the invoice, the vendor has made it, you have checked it and you are trying to fill the document. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Want to paste this one? Click on enter. Your balance is begin zero.
Okay.
Fine. Once you do this step, click on simulate. When you click on simulate, we are going to check whether your debit on your taxes and you need to select our input tax. Not output tax, you need to select our input tax. Now your taxes amount is getting over here. Only one thing we need to do, here you can see everything is in a red zone. That means some errors are there. So you need to turn these messages into green, then only whatever the information you maintain is successfully done. What kind of error message are there? If you want to get into the details of these messages, you'll be getting that details. Your balance not zero. Debit and credit is not equal. Now what we need to do? Option this amount. And paste it in your output tax.
Okay.
Okay. Want to paste this one? Click on enter. Your balance is begin zero.
Okay.
Fine. Once you do this step, click on simulate. When you click on simulate, we are going to check whether your debit and credit is equivalent and your balance is zero.
Okay.
Click on simulate, you'll be getting a new window here. See, like your vendor account got created. The inventory account, some kind of entries are there. Sorry, I don't know much entries in your then. So here only one thing I can say that your debit and credit is getting equal and your balance is coming back. This is the only thing you need to check.
Alright.
Once you see this one, if anything is there in your balance, that means you have done something wrong, you need to rectify it.
Sure.
Always you need to keep in mind if your balance should be equal, click on force. That's it. Your invoice has been saved. Your whatever the invoice the vendor has sent it, you have checked it and you're trying to save the document. Okay?
Yeah.
Now the process is done up to only your minor. Whatever the amount your vendor has charged to you, you're trying accepting it. Now you need to charge your customer.
Yeah.
You need to go for paying of your bill.
Bill.
Yeah. Slash n here 01. So always you will be getting your order number as you are over here because of the settings you have done in normal tabs. Once you finish off the cycle, I'm going to show you.
Sure.
Okay, you can enter. Nothing is done. Okay. The cycle is done. Some error in auto determination is there. We need to rectify it. I'm going to do that one. Because I got a new server, that's the reason I was not in a position to solve all the errors.
Okay.
Okay. So this is how your cycle is going to happen. If you want to check it out, what is the document flow? Get into your VS02 document flow. You'll be getting your sales order number, purchase order number, and invoice. You are not going to get your delivery number because you are not going to get doing the delivery to your customer.
So it's a vendor is doing the delivery.
Yeah, that action we are not going to cover because it's like totally out of our company. We are not doing that.
Okay.
So here only what are the things you need to remember? Nothing much. You are going to use your Hava as your print material.
Yeah.
Material type. So here you are going to get your item category group as tags.
Yes.
Your material mask.
Sure.
Then after in your sales order, you're going to get tag as item category.
Yeah.
Right? You're going to get schedule line as here. Only these 4 steps you need to keep in mind. Then after, now, where is the control? How your purchase preparation is getting generated automatically.
Mm-hmm.
So because our requirement is passing to your department, right?
Yeah.
After order, we are trying to raise a purchase order. How is it getting passed? How our requirement is getting passed to your purchase order? There is a control in your CS schedule line, where you are going to keep it as MD checkbox. Purchase preparation should be getting generated automatically. Should be OV5, OV6. Yes, my schedule line. When I get into my schedule line, you can see order type and keeping it as nothing but purchase equation should be getting generated automatically. My item category, keeping it as 5. Nothing but for your third party, you're going to keep it as 5. Upon assignment group, you're going to keep it as 5. These are the settings required. By default, you will be having that setting. You need to know only you are going to maintain your order type and setting. That's the reason you are getting your purchase equation getting generated automatically because of maintaining this order type.
Sure.
That here?
Yeah.
Now, how we are going to charge the customer? Because I am telling to you from starting that the vendor is going to send an invoice. On that base, your company is going to charge your customer.
Yes.
Fine. Where is the setting for that? You need to get into your item category file. Your widget. Tax. TAX. Your item category. To get into the details of your item category, you will be seeing this billing relevance as F. Okay. It's not going to be A or B, it's going to be F over. A or B, we are not going to keep A or B. All the time we are going to select order related billing document stated according to the invoice form. Okay. Nothing but with reference to our Miro document, whatever the vendor has sent to that one, with reference to that document, you are going to charge your customer. Okay. You're getting it what I mean to say?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm keeping my building relevance over here as F. That's it. and finally sale. That's the reason it's going to ask me at the time of billing to enter my order number. Okay, these are the settings behind your third party sales. If you have any doubt, just let me know. I'm going to clarify it.
Sure. Jerome, there's a one more cycle involved. There's a one more process involved, isn't it? Okay. When customer places order, okay,
Right.
we
Right.
send the purchase requisition to the purchase order. We raise the purchase order to the vendor. Vendor in turn delivers the goods to us, and we deliver the goods to the customer.
Yeah, that is called as individual purchase order.
Okay. Yes.
So in that purchase order, you will be running two cycles, two forward cycles. The MM forward cycle, the SA forward cycle. So we starting from your SD BS01.
Yeah.
Okay. Then after you're going to convert it into your purchase order MA21.
Mm-hmm.
Then your vendor is going to apply the goods to the company. So it's going to do, you're going to do micro. Goods receipt. Micro stands for your goods receipt.
Okay.
Once your vendor send the goods, after that is going to bill. You're going to call it as micro. Nothing but your invoice verification.
Sure.
Once everything is going to happen, now your stock is
Yeah.
getting uploaded.
Okay.
And then your stock gets uploaded in MMB. You get into MMB, you can see how much stock is getting uploaded.
Okay.
Right? Yeah. Then going to perform your delivery BL01. Then after MM power cycle, LC power cycle.
Okay.
Only thing is like it's going to start from your LC and it's going to go to your MM.
Okay.
So tomorrow we are going to run this cycle. Total in detail we are going to run this cycle.
Sure.
Because I'm getting an error at the time of running this now. That's the reason.
Okay.
Because I was trying to, only difference between your third party and individual purchase order is only one thing. You need to run your MM cycle, you need to run your SC cycle. Here also you are going to take your IPO, you are going to take your material type as Hava itself.
Okay.
But your item category will be changing it as BA and C.
B and C. Here.
Yeah, BA and C. Will be coming as BA and C. And your sales order is going to get determined in a such way. Your document type was and NL, as higher level item category NL, will be getting BA tag. This is the determination.
Okay.
Once it is
Even the product names, isn't it? So,
Yeah. No ideas. Yeah.
yeah, it's going to be your NAREK.
Mare.
Yeah.
MARE. Okay.
say again, what is the question again, please? I didn't get just the question.
See, like in your while creation of your material master, you are taking some specific views, right? The
Yeah.
sales of one view, your sales of two view, your sales general plan,
Mm-hmm.
and your sales steps accounting one, these are main statements, right?
Yeah.
So if you're trying to maintain those information,
Mm-hmm.
how your information, like your information will be stored in the form of tables. What
Yeah.
is the table name you're going to follow?
1 minute. Material and customer.
Then go to the accounting one.
No, I'm not.
This point. Yeah. In the sales and distribution, get into your sales documents, sales document header. You're going to see define number ranges for your sales document. Okay. So when you click on it, it's blocked for cost. Can't do anything. Can't get into your order book.
Okay.
There is a functionality of this sales document block. And indicator, no one is going to use this indicator. Only thing, whatever the information you are storing,
No, if you can run us through, please.
no, not in the way with the goal.
Yeah, we V8. The document.
So this number. Normally, for your sales document type OR, your sales document category will be coming up.
Okay.
How the system is going to be identifying different document types.
Mm-hmm.
The system is going to identify based on this sales document.
Yeah.
Going to assign P for your sales order, A for your inquiry, for the P for order, C for the item. We have a different item document categories you are going to have. Okay. For your sales order, I'm giving that.
See. Okay.
Fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. And next thing, your sales document block. For example, you got a requirement from your client saying that I don't want Word document to be used by any of the users in my company.
Okay.
So you need to just come over here to maintain this block. Sales document this block. And give that X. Once you maintain this function over here,
Mm-hmm.
if you are trying to raise a sales order now.
Say again, when is might be applicable? Sorry, Jahan.
Yep. For example, the company doesn't want to use this sales document OR. Okay? At that time, you need to come to your controls and you need to keep this one as a block, sales document block. If you are trying to block this document, how your effect is going to come? Just trying to raise the sales order now, 001, maintain my document type OR, this one is. You're getting an error message saying that sales document type OR is blocked for cost. Can't do anything. Can't get into your order stream.
Okay.
There is a functionality of this document block. And indicator, no one is going to use this indicator. Only thing, whatever the information you are storing in this screen, your T or 01, all this information will be stored in your CDA case table. That's how it is important.
Sure.
And here you can see number ranges. Number range internal assignment 01, number ranges external assignment 0. Now what do you mean by this? Whenever if you are trying to raise a sales order, once you are trying to save the document, the system is going to prompt you and document is by so and so number, right? That number is called as internal number range. System is giving a specific number for that document what you have saved.
Okay.
So if you don't want the system to give a specific number, then you are going to work with your external number range, where you need to enter a number all the time at the time of saving your document.
Okay.
So where are you going to maintain the settings? 01 and 02. So get into your SPRO, the sales and distribution.
Assignment, isn't it? Assign number ranges for the sales distribution.
Yeah. And your sales and distribution, get into your sales documents, sales document header. You're going to see define number ranges for your sales document. Okay. So when you click on it, you get into these three options. Click on your store option, insert it level 01, 02. You want that one to be an internal number range, nothing much system needs to keep your sales order number directly, then you must not check. If you want you to enter the number for that specific document, you need to check this.
We need to take this one off.
It's the user needs to assign a number for that document, you need to keep it as checked. The system needs to give you the message like your sales order number, you need to keep it as blank. EXC stands for your external number range.
Internal is the system creation, isn't it? External is the one
right.
which we create. Okay.
That's right. So I'm going to assign my 01, 02 number ranges, my sales document type. 01 for my internal, 02 for my external. This one clear?
Yeah.
Now, what do you mean by this item number increment step?
Okay. When we enter the sales stock, when we enter the
Pricing 10, 20.
No, when we create a sales order, there'll be number, the number increment 10, 20. Because in between, if we enter any sort of any product, that will come in between. So that's why we keep a range of 10, 20 or times. Basically, that's what.
That's right. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's why the sub increment comes as well.
Now, what do you mean by the sub item increment?
It's a sub, item level. The sub item is when there's an item, and also when there's a sub item. If you want to enter, let's say, okay, 1 minute. Let me.
You can enter one item in between two items, 10, 20, like 15, anything like this.
Yeah.
Yep.
Take an example like, okay, take an.
You're saying whenever we are trying to sales order.
Yeah. Yeah.
By your
20.
between these two, if you want to include any other item number,
Yeah.
you can include. Right? What do you mean by sub item?
That's the sub item, is it?
No. Move your tab.
Okay.
You want to include your 50.
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you mean by sub item?
Yeah, that's what it will like. Okay, between 10 and 20, you can enter another 9 items.
I'm going to remove this one.
And
That
put
my style is going to be
no.
21.
It doesn't. It's 20.
What do you mean by desktop icon? Of icon is amazing. You know, Bob, right?
Yeah, Bob. Yeah.
The components are getting bigger. What do you call that? Subcomponents.
Okay.
How your thing needs to get bigger. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, whatever, how many components you make in your box, that will go to your desktop icon.
Okay.
Maintain my one, so my icon number which is not acceptable.
Okay.
Now, what do you mean by this reference standard?
Reference mandatory if you want to like create a delivery with a reference to any document, you can create it. If you click on, like, let's say, if you click on, because there should be a reference to that building will be mandatory if you click on to this one. Yeah.
So, in this time, if I'm not maintaining any reference standard to see the requirement,
Mm-hmm.
whenever I can play same problem, now with my order document, I want to create my order with reference to this.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'm clicking on create reference. Here I'm able to see all the time.
Yeah.
Reference to inquiries, because you want to go for reference to order sometimes, I don't want all the tasks to be repeated. I want always my orders to be connected with the reference. So I need to come to my reference manager and putting it into a setting where always my order should be raised with reference to selecting the option. Next is and what are the tasks for here?
Yeah. Sure.
What? Okay.
Yeah.
What do you mean by this material type? Material entry type. All the time in your sales order, how you are going to enter your material?
Material entry is a generic name or a sort of like a material code or something like that.
Like that. So using this example now, okay? The system is all here. You have to your material type, the name, the number, whatever it is. That's what you do.
Yeah.
You are not doing anything that here or work.
Sure. Jairam.
Yeah.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Hello?
Yeah.
Can you hear me? Whenever you cover one topic, could you please with this one give some interview question as well? Exactly what.
Hello?
Yes, Jairam, can you hear
Can you
it?
hear me?
Yeah, I'm able to hear you.
I'm asking you because whenever you cover third party today,
Right, yeah.
could you please when you send the documents, could you please send it to
Okay,
the third
okay.
party?
You want me to include all the interview questions as well, right?
Yes, please.
Sure, sure.
When we'll do this, when we're gonna practice this one, if you see the interview question as well, it will help us as well too. Yeah.
Sure. Because like the controls, there are no kind of such documents.
No, as a third party sale or a third party sales, we just ran through all the topics, isn't it? Whatever the
Okay,
interview
okay.
questions, possible interview questions, just include them. You
Sure.
must be having somewhere. You don't have to prepare interview questions separately, but you must be having somewhere.
No, no, no.
Just
I'm
get
having that document. I'm going to forward it to you.
please.
Today only I'm going to forward it to you.
Yes.
I'm going to help you out. Yeah, yeah, that's fine.
As well as we haven't received the document as well. If you can class.
Yeah, last week I was a little bit busy with my sister
Yeah.
engagement, so I was not in a position. So I was promising you to send your last week you were promising your offer determination.
Yeah, account determination.
Account orders.
Yeah,
Account,
it
right?
has to returns and as
Return
account
STO
determination.
and account determination.
Returns. What is it?
Account determination.
STO, account determination and returns.
Yeah, didn't cover to you.
Did
No, STO. No, because it was I think you just covered STO as a sort of topic you just ran through, but as such you
yeah.
did not run through all the STO.
That's right, yeah.
STO is a big topic.
How did you do it?
In returns only I covered a small topic of your transferring the goods from one store location to another store location.
yeah, that's true.
Your returns all things will be covered. Your account determination is one topic, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to cover that one. Today I'm going to your parent. All the documents have been forwarded to you. And your this is the master. Whatever the kitchen is there for the customer master,
Yeah.
that kitchen is going to get copied. You are
Okay.
working with your item.
Okay.
How the message needs to be get to them. Called as whether you want the watch message, you want the message, dialogue message, how you want the message to get to them, is what we call as message. You getting it?
Yeah.
Sorry, and how does it? Question might be.
What do you mean by your check division? What do you mean by your item division?
Yes.
That's it. So when you're maintaining division in your material master, I'm going to write it. If you're not trying to, if you're not maintaining it.
Mr. V, have you, sir? It's a pleasure. Yeah, how can I help you, sir? Oh, right. What's that? Oh, just as a casual, it was a courtesy call. And just if everything is all right or something like that. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Connection also I'm going to alright. And here you can see your check purchase order number. When I'm trying to assign, so you can see two options are there. Check whether the purchase order number already exists. If I'm raising one sales order with respect to one purchase order number, for example, I'm raising a sales order with 150 purchase order number, and I'm trying to create that sales order. Again, I'm raising a sales order with same purchase order number 150. That system is going to give me a box to say that this purchase order number has been already used for other sales order. So try to use the same purchase order. You getting it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just keeping it as A here at the moment, saving it. Trying to raise the order now. And raise the one. I'm entering my purchase order number. My material. Creating another purchase or sales order. The same purchase order number. Now system is giving me a warning message saying that you already used this purchase order 13946. You want to use it, just click on enter, otherwise in that purchase order. Okay?
Yeah.
This is the importance of this check purchase order number. What do you mean by this enter purchase order number?
It would be mandatory. Without entering purchase order number, wouldn't be possible to process it.
So trying to skip that data, the system is asking you to enter one purchase order.
Yeah.
Not getting these variables here. Need to check this one enter purchase order number. Sorry. The functionality of this is not that one. Sorry. What exactly is going to happen is I'm trying to read this order. Okay? I will maintain any purchase order number, right?
Yeah.
Now, whatever the order number is there, that will be coming and sitting as my purchase order. Getting to a change mode of this 13945.
Mm-hmm.
You can see my PO number, November, and change order.
Okay.
So, going to try to activate this field. Then, you're not thinking any purchase order number in your sales order. Whatever your sales order number is there, that will be coming as your purchase order. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm not going to the commitment date is a detailed profit layer, how you're going to give your commitment. I never worked with this till now. I'm not having much idea of it.
Okay.
So here normally you can see whatever the screen is there. For your sales order, normally you are going to upload your previous screen. Whatever the screen you are getting, up to you can see inquiry will be coming as GC for your inquiry. And the thing is, if you're going to create